kung may advantage, masapol nyo ilaan nyo ng pigyan nyo balasan. Masapol na ilan nyo tanan, pakunin na kasilip, ura man sa kasulatan na ilan ko na. Mayaklit lang ko yung kanang di amamagilin mo si Bigyan. Palang nalapot ako, tumakot ka ng kaya, ito pa din. Kay naila ko isang simpong di meeting di ko ni Tulog at Bagyo sinang abit malagis lang yung sinitawang di. At siya ng kalandawan, wala ko ka naman kasama ko man, sinitiyag ng ala ko pa lang alili. So kanon, di kabalin sa tayo ko, wala kami sinitiyag, inaya. Yung idwa nila, tama balinit siguro tayo, mapituloy man, kasalita na di uwan. Misya di kaya, misya na asawa ka, gusto naman lang ay kailyak, ay iyagawa mo lang. Tayo siya nang di maklak, ay agawag gamin. It's sagada ko, umuyak lang sila sa elementary ko. Gaya-gaya nga na tagad lumangsa ka, nagkasin sila. So, nagpapalsi ka ba sabi? Siya din ang mayat, salamat sa nang nagana ang kawisya kami na kami. Tapos na asawak na Esperanza ay bakbak. Nang ano sinan rupak ulan no kasano ay tabarbar takiro ya ka amin ni sa ay imate inano sana. Salamat sa salamat siya nang parang takot itortoli kasi kanat mayat no dan kayo progrog yan is na umaparo dan ano yun na mabalinat mamindos na kasi tuon no namitutok no simple ay namin na kanang community leader mo lang baka kasi tuon ko baka malipatan mo sa ipo ko gadi salamat Lord kanata kami amin siya thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for those who did not understand.
Oh, yeah.
But you see, that's the beauty of. Somebody asked me like, why are you asserting your own language, that you want to speak your own language when you can all speak in English? But that's it. Like he said a lot of things that cannot be translated to English in the same way that you would have understood it in our own language. So we celebrate diversity. Okay? But one thing that he said was that one of the purpose, aside from what Auntie Donna said earlier, that one purpose of getting together as a family is for us to help during time of need and also celebrate in time of joy, but also to make sure that the descendants don't marry each other. Okay. So that you see, oh, okay, so we were in the same gathering, okay, and then you meet them elsewhere, you will know that okay, those are out of those people who are those who should not be in your radar, okay? All right, so let us have some singing. Singing is one of the ways that, that bind family. So, Auntie Donna and Dexter will lead us in some songs. I think Auntie Donna has some copies, some printed copies. They will lead us in 3 songs, I think. And then after that, maybe we can have some presentations and then gang playings. Gangs and dances later on.
I think everybody has a cell phone, so you grab your cell phone.
My water is here.
And then we have a copy here.
Okay,
We
let's
are a
go.
family.
Ito mama. I'm not the boss here.